In this video, I'm going to reveal step by step how you can start making money with the Canva affiliate program. We're going to cover everything. We're going to talk about how to sign up, where to go to sign up, and I'm going to reveal 8 different ways that you can promote this program and start making money. So make sure you watch this entire video if you're an affiliate for Canva and you're struggling, or if you think Canva is a great product and you want to promote it. Hi, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I create content to actually help you make money online and not just to put money into my own pockets. And if you want to be added to the globe, comment down below with your city, state, zip code, province, or country, and I'll get you pinned. Now, as we know, Canva is an all-in-one solution and it does almost everything. You can use it for video creation, you can use it for photo editing, video editing, you can use it to create mock-ups and even table numbers. That's one of the biggest benefits of Canva because it's so widely used. It can be used for so many different use cases, and most people will start off for free. So when you start thinking about different ways to promote it, it's almost limitless and it can be both overwhelming and exciting. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cover a number of ways. Now, this by no means is every way to make money with Canva and the Canva affiliate program. This is just gonna be a few of the best ways that I found and that I've used. So the first thing we wanna do, if we wanna jump into my computer, to join the Canva affiliate program, Google Canva affiliate program, and it'll take you to this website. Now, Canva's changing their affiliate program. They're focusing, like many other companies and brands, they're focusing more on content creators. And so they want people that are creating content. Pro tip, create content. And if you see here, people that create content are probably going to get a fast pass into acceptance. Now, does that mean you have to have a certain number of subscribers or followers? It doesn't say. But just know that if you want to take advantage of the Canva affiliate program, you have to have some sort of content creation. You probably need to have a following. You need to have some impressions every single day. But if this meets the requirement, it says applications will reopen in March 2024. Right now it's February 9th. Still create the content. The question that I get all the time, Alston, an affiliate program rejected me, or I can't find an affiliate program, what should I do? Still create the content. If you want to be an affiliate for Canva, continue to create the content because they're going to be looking for it either way. What better way to show a company or a brand that you are 100% aligned with them if you create the content to show how valuable an asset that you can be to their company. So regardless if you're accepted or not, create the content. Don't let the potential of not being a part of the program stop you. You can always pivot a little bit later, but make sure you create the content. So what you're going to do is you're simply going to, once this button reopens in about less than a month, you're going to click to reopen, all the directions, and apply. But once you've applied, here are a couple ways that you can use Canva. Even before applying, I recommend that you take a look and listen to these next steps because I'm going to show you the best ways to promote Canva and potentially make money. So one of the first ways that you can promote Canva and make money is simply creating short Canva tutorials right on TikTok or YouTube Shorts. The reason why this is so powerful is because while some people know and understand what Canva is and what Canva does, there are millions more people that have no idea. And if you can show people how to do simple tasks, help them save time, help them save money, they're going to want to give Canva a shot. Again, it's a free trial with a premium upgrade on the back end. Let me give you some examples of people that are already doing this right over on TikTok. So if we're over here on TikTok and I just type in Canva tutorial, and you're going to see that there are so many different tutorials with people showing you different things that you can do in Canva. Look at Canva hack. This has 6.9 million views. Now, I would say probably a half of those people understood what Canva was before, but the other half had no idea what Canva was, and they're going to want to check it out because it has a free trial and there's almost no barrier to entry. But you can see these videos with simple Canva hacks are getting hundreds of thousands of views consistently. And this is something that you could do. You can do it a few different ways. You could go watch a tutorial over on YouTube on how to do something with Canva and then show people how to do it much faster over on TikTok. If you do this and you generate 1 million views, Canva's going to want to partner with you. So you can either poke around Canva and try and learn different tips, tricks, and tactics yourself, or you could go watch a full-length video over on YouTube, figure out a way to do it faster, quicker, and more efficiently. But this, as you can see, Canva tutorial, Canva tips and tricks, all of these are getting tons of views that you could potentially take advantage of. But this is just one way that you could use Canva to start making money. A second way that you could make money with the Canva affiliate program is by sharing different templates for social media. For example, if we jump over to Canva, what you could do is you could create Pinterest pin templates, you could create YouTube templates, TikTok, any type of templates, and then you could share them with them using your affiliate link and you could make money. Now, again, the cool thing thing is, you're going to be sharing the free trial, but I guarantee you, if you share that enough times, there will be some people that decide to upgrade to the premium. One thing that I certainly encourage you to do is that you don't just steal templates right from Canva. You want to make sure that you are updating these, you are making these unique. But you can see that there are a ton of templates that Canva already has set up. Make sure that you are modifying them, making them your own, making them unique. And then what you'll do is just share them with them. And then if someone decides to take you up on the offer and then upgrade later, they can make money. Now, there's a few different ways that you can share these. You can either have people buy them from you. So like if you sell maybe 100 pack Pinterest pin templates, you sell it for $7, people are going to buy them from you. Or you could actually use this as a lead magnet. So let's say you are a Pinterest pin expert and you are creating content helping people grow their Pinterest account. And so what you can do as a lead magnet is you could essentially give away these templates for free in exchange for their name and their email, your audience's name and email. And then once they use them and upgrade, that's how you can make money. But giving away social media templates can be a fantastic way to make money with Canva. And again, you're just sharing a link. Another great way to make money with Canva and the affiliate program is by showing people that you can make digital products. Now, I talked about the Pinterest pin thing a second ago, but most people don't know that you can create planners, ebooks, templates. You can create just about anything right within Canva. For example, I've created a number of workbooks that I sell. I bundle them up and I sell them for different prices. But essentially, I can create an ebook right within Canva and then sell it. I can download it obviously as a PDF, maybe an image, whatever it is, and then I can sell it. It's such a cool opportunity that you can target people that want to start an online business, and you can even give away a workbook template, and then eventually they'll upgrade over time and make money. But if you expose people, you let people know that Canva is a great free resource for them to create digital products, it's something that they'll jump on and they'll at least give a shot. For example, if we just type in ebook here, you can see that there are all sorts of things: ebook pages, multiple pages, ebook cover. We can do the same thing for planner. So like maybe if we wanted to show people how to make a fitness planner to sell, we can tell people that, hey, look, I've got this. You can go over to Canva, use the link in my description, and you can create your own fitness planner. Again, make sure that when you are using this, and maybe even if you're giving these away, make sure that you are changing these. You can't just give away Canva templates. It's a violation of their terms of service, but this is another great way. Teaching potential new business owners and entrepreneurs that they can use Canva as a free resource to make money. Another great way to use Canva in their affiliate program is to let people know that it is a viable alternative to Adobe Premiere Pro. It's a viable alternative to Adobe Photoshop and that entire suite. One of the problems with Premiere Pro and Photoshop and Adobe in general is that there's a monthly subscription. A lot of people can't afford to pay that monthly subscription. A lot of people don't want another monthly subscription, and so they're looking for free alternatives. So you could create a video, whether it's on TikTok or YouTube or even Instagram, where you teach people about 5 free alternatives to Adobe Photoshop. You can list like Blender, you could list Canva, you could list Affinity Photo, but then you could say Canva has the most bang for its buck. It's free, so it's the most useful. But that's a really simple way, is to let people know of the alternatives that are out there to something that's really, really popular. That's another great way to promote the Canva affiliate program. Another great way to utilize the Canva affiliate program is to create content helping people start a YouTube channel. Now, if you think about it, what are all of the things required to start a YouTube channel? Obviously, they need video editing, they need a YouTube thumbnail, they need maybe graphics and images, and maybe even like an ebook that they want to give away. So someone that wants to start a YouTube channel, you could actually show them how to create a YouTube thumbnail right in Canva for free. You can show them how to create motion graphics right in Canva for free. Someone could use Canva after they upload their video as a one-stop shop to edit different things. Let me show you real quick. So if we go to the home page here, we do video like this, we can see that we can actually create a blank video. And what we could do here is we could either import our video, let's say we created it with our smartphone, we could import our video, or we could use some of the other features. For example, let's say I'll just type in YouTube here, and Canva itself has its own graphics, its own videos that you can use. And you could actually use these as B-roll if you wanted to, but more importantly, you could put graphics over the top of this and essentially create a unique video. You could then show people how to use Canva for thumbnails, which is really popular. Once you notice the templates that Canva has for the YouTube thumbnails, you'll realize that a lot of people on YouTube are using them, but Canva could be the one-stop shop for someone to create an entire YouTube channel. In fact, if you want me to show you how to use Canva to create create a YouTube video and a YouTube channel, comment down below because I'd be happy to show you that. But this is another opportunity as well. The next way you could use Canva and their affiliate program is to target people that want to join your online course. Now this course is going to be primarily for small business owners and online entrepreneurs, but if you've got people that are willing to pay you, and this goes for affiliate marketing in general, make sure that you put together a list of tools that they need to help them solve their problem faster. Now, once again, you'll tell people how convenient and easy Canva can be used to solve all sorts of problems, and that way you can easily earn affiliate commissions because these people know, like, and trust you. They'll click on your affiliate link, they'll join Canva, and some of them may even upgrade. Another way that you can make money with the Canva affiliate program is you could show people how to make money using freelancing sites like Fiverr, Upwork, and People Per Hour. For example, what you could do is you could create a video showing people how they can make $100 per day with Fiverr. And then throughout that video, you could say one of the hottest gigs on Fiverr is people that need logos or maybe even YouTube thumbnails. And then you can simply just show people and say, hey, look, if you want to get started with Fiverr, or if you want to get started with Canva, here's my affiliate link to use. Make sure that you are showing people how to use it and how to get started. You get people hooked on using Canva for a variety of ways. Eventually, some of those will upgrade to the premium version, and then that's when you make your money. Another great way to make money with the Canva affiliate program is simply showing people how they could make money on Etsy. And the best way to make money on Etsy, in my belief, is actually with creating digital products. So if we head on over to Etsy like this, and we type in something like fitness tracker, what you'll see is you'll see a bunch of these different fitness trackers that people have created. Now, most of these have been created on Etsy. Now, again, if you're showing people how they can make money with fitness trackers, you're simply going to share your affiliate link to Canva and people will click on it. And as they're creating these fitness trackers, and eventually some of them are going to want to upgrade, and that's when you start earning your commissions. But showing people how to use the tools, the features, how to make money with Etsy and Canva is a great way to make money with the Canva affiliate program. So once again, so we're clear, what you're going to do is you are simply going to show people, you're going to create a video or a TikTok or a blog post telling people how you can make money online selling digital products on Etsy. And then throughout that process, you are going to show them one of the best tools to use to make money online with Etsy and digital products is Canva. And then that's when you share your affiliate link to Canva, and then that's when you can potentially start making money. Another great way to make money with Canva for free is showing people how to do stuff for the wedding niche. Now, think about the wedding. Think about how big the wedding is, how much money is spent, how important it is. What you could do is, let's say you're in the wedding niche, you could teach people how to have the perfect wedding on a budget. And one of those ways to have the perfect wedding on a budget is to create your own table numbers, or to create your own itinerary, or to create your own invitations. And then you could show people how to do it right into Canva and simply create a video, a TikTok, a blog post, and then include your affiliate link right in the description. Say, hey, look, if you want to take advantage of this awesome free tool that'll help you save money on your perfect wedding, click the link in the description or bio, and you'll be able to have a wonderful wedding under budget because you will have a bunch of stuff done by yourself. But teaching people how to save money is a great way to earn commissions with the Canva affiliate program. So just so we're clear, what you're going to do is you're going to create content around the wedding niche. Now, you could do this with any niche, but you could create content around the wedding niche, 5 ways to help them save money. One way, create your own table numbers. Another way, create your own invitations. And you show people how to do that, show people that the best way to do that is with Canva, and you can make money. The next way that you can make money with the Canva affiliate program is simply with email marketing. Now, most people don't buy right away. In fact, 80% of the people that are going to buy from you usually don't buy right away. And so what I ultimately recommend that you do is you collect the names and emails of your target audience and then follow up with email marketing. Now, depending on the niche, this is going to be a no-brainer. As I mentioned with the wedding niche, you can send them an email letting them know about the benefits of DIY, saving money on the budget. If you're in the fishing niche, you could actually do this as well. If you are in the online business owner space, online entrepreneurs, you're in that space, you could actually recommend Canva to help them save time or make money. But there are so many different ways that you can use Canva to help you make money. Now that you know how to use the Canva affiliate program, you still need to know a little bit more about affiliate marketing. Watch this video next to learn how to get started with affiliate marketing the right way, step by step.